Hey, I'm Sunny, and today I'm going to take you through how to make YouTube Shorts. So first up, you've got the app. Now once you open your app, it'll come to your YouTube homepage. This is your channel. If you don't have a channel, open one up, and this is where all your short content will be published. Now, see that highlighted plus button? Click on that and that'll give you your creator area. And you can see at the top there, you have a creator short, and that's what you'll be using. So once you've pressed that button, you'll come to this screen, which is your creator menu, and I'll explain some of the buttons. So here you can see add sound. This allows you to add sounds from any songs on YouTube, and you can use up to 60 seconds of the song without any repercussions for monetization. So go through, search for your song that you want to use. However, if you do use a song, it means that any organic sound that you've recorded for the short, such as talking within it, is overridden. Alright, next up is the time button. So this is preset at 15 seconds and 60 seconds. I recommend using 60 seconds. 60 seconds is the max length a YouTube short can be recorded for. However, you can adjust the time later with a different tool that we'll go over. Next up, you have the camera change button, and this just alternates the camera that you want to film your short from either the front of your phone or the back. So this is the speed up button. This one allows you to speed up and slow things down. So think kind of like the old Benny Hill kind of themes with the fast movements. So that allows you to do that. This button here is the countdown timer, and it does just that. It allows you to have a countdown when filming your shorts, and it's also the tool that I was talking about, which can also help you adjust your length. Next up, you have the filters button, and filters add a different effect to the lens and the way you capture your short, and there's a heap of them. So you can go through and see all different types of filters. Over time, YouTube will be adding more. Next up, this is the green screen button, which allows you to put a picture in the background of your short. You select the picture from the little panel down the bottom, and this will be constant throughout your short. So with the picture in the background, you'll still remain the topic of the video just in front of that picture. This next button is the retouch buttons. You can see it turning on and off. All this does is remove the blemishes in you as the subject and also adds a little bit of clarity. And those are the basic controls and buttons. That's everything you need to start creating on YouTube Shorts. So make sure you open up an account and start creating. Thank you for watching, and if that helped, join us next time for some more advanced features.